Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to subtract two numbers in Python. So at first I am going to take two variables. For example, I am going to use 6 and another variable, the value is 5. Now I am going to add another variable which is sub, and now I am going to store the value of two variables in the sub variable. I am going to use sub operation, and now let's print the sub. And let's run it. So you can see the output. If I change the value from 5 to 4 and click on the run, so you can see the execution is properly working. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.